In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a Word document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you need to edit the contents of a PDF more easily, turning it into a Word file can save you a lot of time. Adobe Acrobat Pro makes this process simple, and it's especially useful when you want to reuse text, update a document, or make formatting changes without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your PDF document inside Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you're opening the exact file you want to convert, since this will be the version Acrobat uses to create the Word document. Once the file is open, give it a quick look over so you know everything appears correctly before exporting. This can be helpful if the PDF contains multiple pages, tables, or images, because those elements may carry over into the new file. Next, go to the right-hand tool pane and click Export PDF. This is the tool Acrobat uses to convert your file into other formats. If you don't immediately notice it, look along the Tools panel on the right side of the screen. Once you select it, Acrobat will open the export options and let you choose the file type you want to create. From the available export formats, select Microsoft Word. After that, choose Word document, which uses the .docx format. This is the standard format for modern Word files and is usually the best option if you plan to edit the document later in Microsoft Word or upload it to another word processing platform that supports Word documents. Choosing the correct format here is important because it determines how editable your converted file will be. After that, click Export. Acrobat will begin converting the PDF into a Word document. Depending on the size and complexity of your PDF, this may take a few moments. Documents with simple text usually convert quickly, while files with more complex layouts, graphics, or scanned content may take a little longer. When prompted, name your file and click Save. Choose a file name that makes it easy to recognize later, and save it in a folder where you can quickly find it. Once the file is saved, your new Word document is ready to open and review. At this point, it's a good idea to open the Word file and check the formatting. Most conversions work very well, but some PDFs with unusual layouts may need a few small adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF into a Word document using Adobe Acrobat Pro.